Welcome to Daytime Channel, your ultimate guide to the thrilling world of technology and innovation. Today, we embark on an exhilarating and comprehensive exploration of the topic that has taken the online realm by storm, cryptocurrency. Get ready to strap in for a deep dive into the fascinating world of digital currencies as we unlock their potential and unveil whether they truly hold the key to the future of online earning. Buckle up, because we're about to journey into the heart of a financial revolution that is reshaping the way we perceive and interact with money itself. Cryptocurrency, with its trailblazing names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and countless others, has transformed the digital landscape and ignited the imaginations of millions. This is no ordinary buzzword. It's an extraordinary paradigm shift that has the power to redefine the very fabric of our financial systems. Picture a world where transactions are lightning fast, ultra secure, and effortlessly borderless. Cryptocurrency is spearheading the charge towards this astonishing reality. Operating on decentralized networks known as blockchains, these digital currencies provide an ironclad foundation for trust and transparency, ensuring that every transaction is verifiable and immutable. Say farewell to intermediaries and embrace the age of direct peer-to-peer transactions, empowering individuals around the globe. But here's where it gets truly electrifying. Cryptocurrency isn't just about revolutionizing how we transfer value, it's an open invitation to a world of limitless earning potential. From the adrenaline-fueled realm of mining, where individuals contribute their computing power to validate and secure transactions, earning rewards in the process, to the exhilarating world of trading, where astute individuals capitalize on market fluctuations to unlock financial gains, cryptocurrency opens doors to thrilling opportunities like never before. And that's not all. The rise of decentralized finance protocols has opened up a world of exciting opportunities. With DeFi, people can lend, borrow, and earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings without relying on traditional financial institutions. It's like having access to a treasure chest filled with incredible wealth, where you have the control of being your own bank and participating in a decentralized system that empowers individuals. But wait, it gets even more captivating. Engaging with cryptocurrency is no longer reserved for the tech-savvy elite. With user-friendly platforms and intuitive applications, individuals from all walks of life can participate in this financial revolution. Whether you're a freelancer looking to expand your payment options, an entrepreneur seeking alternative funding through initial coin offerings, or simply an individual with a thirst for exploring innovative avenues, cryptocurrency warmly welcomes you into its world of boundless opportunities. By embracing cryptocurrency, you become part of a global movement, a community fueled by the ideals of financial inclusivity, decentralization, and the transformative power of technology. It's not just about the money, it's about shaping a future where financial barriers crumble, where individuals have the autonomy to control their economic destinies, and where opportunities are no longer restricted by geographical boundaries. It's a revolution that champions economic independence and empowers individuals to unleash their full potential. Of course, we must tread with caution in this exhilarating journey. The world of cryptocurrency is not without risks. Volatility is a fact of life in the crypto markets, and it's crucial to approach this realm with a well-informed mindset. Thorough research, seeking expert guidance, and employing responsible investment strategies are essential ingredients in navigating this dynamic landscape. But for those who understand the potential, take calculated risks, and adapt to the ever-evolving nature of the crypto world, the rewards can be truly life-changing. So is cryptocurrency the future of online earning? The resounding answer is yes. With its disruptive technology, global reach, and limitless potential, digital currencies are here to stay. It's time to embrace the boundless possibilities, unlock new frontiers, and shape your own financial destiny in this extraordinary digital age. Thank you for joining me on this exhilarating deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency. If you find this video insightful and crave more fascinating tech topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.